first video in our ACL series. In this series, we will look at whether you need an Australian Credit Licence, or ACL, for your business, how to get one, and what you need to do once you have one. In today's video, we're going to discuss whether your business is required to hold an ACL and the two different types of authorisations. So, do you need an ACL? There are a range of businesses that need an ACL to provide their products or services. These include credit providers, lessors, finance brokers, and mortgage managers or aggregators. The National Consumer Credit Protection Act requires that businesses be licensed where they provide credit services for the purpose of personal, domestic, or household use, or for the purchase, renovation, or improvement of the value of residential property. Credit provided for other purposes is excluded from the licensing regime. So, what will an ACL mean for your business in practical terms? An ACL enables you to engage in two different types of credit activities. These activities are reflected in the authorisations on your licence. The first authorisation allows you to engage in services as a credit provider. You will require the credit providing authorisation for services such as being a direct lender under a credit contract or acting as a lessor under a consumer lease. The second authorisation enables your business to engage in credit assistance services. You will require this authorisation where you suggest or assist a consumer apply for a particular credit contract or consumer lease, or apply for an increase in their credit limit under a particular credit contract, or remain in their current credit contract or consumer lease. You are likely to need an ACL if you provide credit under a credit contract, are a lessor under a consumer lease, provide credit services such as suggesting or assisting a consumer apply for a credit contract or consumer lease, benefit from a mortgage or guarantee relating to a credit contract, or act as a debt collector by exercising the rights of a credit provider or lessor. There are exemptions from holding an ACL in certain circumstances. These include exemptions for receivers and managers, liquidators and registered debt agreement administrators, and financial counselling agencies. Please contact us for further information on these exemptions and whether they apply to your business. There are serious penalties and repercussions for operating without a credit licence or without the correct authorisation. If it is not clear whether you need an ACL or which authorisations are appropriate for your business, you can contact the Sophie Grace team to discuss further. That concludes today's video on the requirement to hold an ACL. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on the next video in our ACL series, where we discuss the credit licence application process. If you have any questions about today's video, please leave us a comment below or head over to our website where you can talk to a member of our team via our live chat service.